Going to show you how can you delete history from Google. You have to open Google, then log in into your account. First you have to open google.com, then you can open your history. First you have to log into your account. After that you just have to open the activity. This is a simple tool. You can see how can you use. So there are some different options are available which you can use to which with the help of you can just delete your account history or account history with the help of this Google history. Then I'm going to show you how can. There are some different options available in this. You just have to first click on. You can see the item. If I click the item which is stored in the history, the bundle view you can see here. These are the bundle view of a particular day of February 21 to 13, and these are some bundle view are available. You can delete bundle or particular item with the help of this other Google activity. You can also see location history. Your timeline in Google Maps display your location history. The private map of you can delete all the information which is your which delivered your location history. You can use signed in device. You can edit place and delete all the part of your history. Device information stored is a copy of contacts, calendar, apps and other data from your devices. These data can improve result suggestions across Google services. Google Play, if you have any Google Play account, and you can also manage music you have identified with the sound search widget. YouTube, not interested feedback. You're not interested feedback is used to remove videos from your YouTube recommendations. Download your past searches. You can also download your past searches. Google Assistant activity. Your Assistant activity stores conversation you had with the Google Assistant. If you anyhow you can contact with the Google, then there is you can delete the Assistant activity store conversation. If you communicate with the Google Assistant for any problem, for complaining any problem or regarding any help, then you can delete the particular conversation. From here you can delete Google Ads settings. If you have any Google Ads setting, then you can manage ad setting from here. You can see here control your Google Ads. You can control the ads. If you monetize your video, then if you want to or you want to control your ads, what type of ads you want to see, you can control the ads that are delivered to you based on your Google account across devices. By editing this setting, these ads are more likely to be useful and relevant. So these type of, you can also add new topics. Profile information is available. Ad based, you can also provide your information that you can use ad based on your interest. You can see ad based according to your interest. You can use these ads. You can see here a help and scientific feedback option is also available. Then I am going back. Again we are going to see my account information. There you can also delete all signing, or if you want to delete your account or service, you can control your content ad setting, manage your Google activities from here. You can directly click on manage your, you can privacy checkup, security checkup, all your performance you can analyze here. All your activity you can see here and do whatever you want according to you can connect several apps and sites with your account. you can delete activity by here. Other if you want to delete activity, then I'm going to show you something like February 1 to February 2, then of YouTube. Then I'm going to delete this. Before you delete, your activity can make Google services more useful to you, like better commute option in maps and quicker result in search. So you just have to see this, and if you want to delete, then delete your YouTube activity from February 1 to February 2. These items will be permanently deleted from your Google account. It means never any history will restored on your Google. If someone or Google want to see your information, then this is impossible to see if Google want to. So this is a way you can delete your activities from Google, which is used in Google browser or YouTube products or your Picasa album or your by your Google Drive or any other Google services. All history are controlled here, all history are saved here. So with the help of this, you can just control all your activity or delete some activity, delete all the history with the help of this Google activity setting. You can activity control web and app activity pause, include Chrome browsing history activity from your website and apps that use Google services. If you are more than one account, then at the same time some data may be get saved or default account. Location history, device information, manage activity, voice and audio activity, help recognize your voice and improve search recognition by shorting your voice inputs to your accounts. You can manage your activity, all your activity you can manage from here. You can also manage from your Google Plus activities, YouTube's and other services. So this is how you can delete your history, delete your activities or manage your activities from different Google product services, and you can just control it from here. If you want to delete it, then delete it, or if you want to restrict something, then you can easily restrict from here. So this is how you can use Google history services. So thank you friends, thank you, please subscribe me, thank you.